So hey guys, my G5 Feiyu Tech not working, not powering on. Just want to show you this test. So here we got 4 volts, but when you push down on it, it goes to nothing. Up 4 volts. When I push it, like when you're installing it, it goes to nothing. So that's why as I screw it in, it pushes on that. So I'm going to try to take it apart. 1.5 millimeter, take this out, and we're going to see what's wrong with it. So here you can see I'm taking it apart. That's a 1.5 millimeter Allen. I take out the 3 screws, and that just comes apart. Sorry about my video quality. You'd think I'd be better. So I pop that off, and right here you can see all the rust. So it's obviously not making good contact there. That's a spring right there. And so you pull out the spring, which I pulled out there. Sorry, I didn't really show it, but it just pops right out. And then you have to put your finger in the end of that other side and pop out the button. It was kind of tight, but it popped right out eventually. So that was inside that spring hole there. It was all nasty. So I cleaned it all up, put some dielectric grease in, and put it back together, and now it works great. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.